do you prepare your feast? Today, we will talk about some new words about Thanksgiving Day. First is Thanksgiving Day, of course. 感恩节感恩节感恩 means Thanksgiving. 节 means festival and holiday, such as 圣诞节 means Christmas. 情人节 means Valentine's Day. And the Chinese festival 中秋节 means Mid-Autumn Day. What do you prepare for your Thanksgiving Day feast? Turkey and pumpkin are needed. Perhaps there are corn and wine. Let's see how to say these words in Chinese. First one, turkey, 火鸡火鸡 Next one, pumpkin, 南瓜南瓜 Next one, corn, 玉米玉米 Next one, wine, 酒酒 Last one, grape wine, 葡萄酒葡萄酒 On Thanksgiving Day, does your city have grand parade? Parade is 游行游行 Or will you prepare a masquerade party in your home? What will you dress yourself up in the party? Instead of saying Happy Thanksgiving Day, you can say to your friends, 感恩节快乐感恩节快乐 Okay, thanks for listening. We have approached the end of this lesson. Happy Thanksgiving Day! 感恩节快乐